ACT Research reports that North American Class 8 truck orders increased year over year in April by 34%, but fell 9.8% from the previous month. According to ACT President Kenny Veith, these results are in line with seasonal expectations, since even in good years, Q2 typically delivers below-trend orders. Magnus Cook of Volvo Trucks North America expressed confidence that there will be an uptick in the back end of this year. And FDR's Dan Moyer also remains optimistic, saying despite the month-over-month decline, the fact that orders were up significantly from the April 2023 level indicates that the market is still solid. Every month this year has seen a year-over-year increase except March.